Hello and namaste everybody. It's me Binod Wagle and today I am going to talk about the research methodology and its tradition and the research paradigm. It's me Binod Wagle. I'm the scholars of the MA Mathematics Educations from the Schools of Education Kathmandu University. Okay. In first, let's talk about what is research. What is research? Yeah. Research is the process for investigating or discovering new information. Yes, research is the process of the investigating new information. Obviously, there are two types of the research traditions, and the first one is the social traditions, and the second one is obviously educational traditions. Let's discuss about the social research traditions and the educational research traditions. Then what do we have to understand about the social research traditions? Yes, obviously, social research traditions always studies human behavior, our social interactions, and the society. It's study about these things. Uh, social research are mainly conducted in the field like sociology, anthropology, and the politics also. Yeah. For examples, I have included here one of the examples of a research article by the Carpendale and the Lewis from 2006 entitled "How Children Develop Social Understandings." You can find in Google Scholars also. This one is the social research traditions. Then let's talk about the educational research traditions. Yeah, educational research traditions. It's always focus on education research related issues to improve the teaching and the learning. Educational research. Its words is enough to understand about these traditions. Always focus about the education related issue. How from where we can improve our teaching and learning strategy. And these types of traditions helps in developing better learning strategy obviously. For examples, I have included here the studying the impact of the project-based learning in the schools can be considered as the education research traditions. These are the two types of research traditions which I have explained recently. First one, social research traditions and the education research traditions. Let's go to the then type of the resource. Okay, types of the resource. What do you think? How many types of the resource? Okay, uh, I have included here the two types. By the way, there can be considered as the three types mixed method also. First one is quantitative, and the second one is qualitative resource. Then what is quantitative? Quantitative means which can be measured. It deals with numbers. Well, quantitative research always use the statistical data to analyze, and result were found through the mathematical methods. Yes, through the numbers. For examples, how students develop algebraic reasonings by the study. We can conclude the result by using statistical study. These types of research is the quantitative research. Then the second one is qualitative. Yeah, qualitative, which deals with quality. Uh, the qualitative research always focus on the words, feelings, and the experience. Uh, the researcher uses interviews, open-ended surveys, and the observations for these types of the research. For examples, the impact of inquiry-based learning on students' performance can be considered as the one of the qualitative research examples. Okay, you can find various kinds of quantitative and qualitative research in Google Scholars and various websites. Okay, then let's go to the research paradigm. Yeah, research paradigm. First one is positivism. Positivism always use facts and number. It is the this approach is objective approach. Uh, the research are conducted only in the laboratory field. Yeah. For examples, does homework improve student performance? Can be considered as this example, one of the examples of the positivism. Uh, then second one is post positivism. It is recognized biases and where it includes surveys and the observations. For examples, how teacher qualification affect student success can be considered as the post positivism examples. Then third one is interpretism. Okay. This paradigm focuses on the personal experience and the perspectives. For examples, how teachers understand student motivation can be considered as one of the examples of the interpretation. It always focuses on the personal experience and their perspectives. There is one says that we have to views from their eyes, we have to stand on their shoes, yeah. We have to feel, we have to experience from their own way to conduct the research. Okay, the fourth one is criticalisms, which studies the power, inequality, and the social structures. Criticalism critiques. The word is enough to understand about this paradigm. The the impact of socio-economic class on the educations can be considered as the one of the research article of this criticalism paradigm. And the last one of this paradigm is the postmodernism in the research, where this challenges tradition ideas. Postmodernism challenges tradition ideas, considered as the multiple perspectives also. For examples, how difficult student perceive technology in class can be considered as one of the examples of the postmodernism paradigms. In conclusions, we have discussed about the different research paradigm exists for the different purpose. Obviously, there are different types of paradigms for their own different purpose. Uh, Choosing the right approach depends on the research questions. We have to choose right approach according to our research questions. We have to focus on what we have to find, what we are going to research. Yes, that will find our right approach. Okay. Both qualitative and quantitative methods helps improve education. Obviously, any types of research can help the education that will improve our education. Okay, uh, these are the presentations for today. Okay, at last I have taken differences as the Taylor PC and the made in 2011 these materials for the reference. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you all of you.